Hi guys, so today we're going to do a really quick video on how to put lazy eyes or sleepy eyes on your S13. It's going to be really quick for two reasons. One, doesn't take long to do. Two, it's going to rain. So, we're going.
So, I've been reading the internet. Apparently, you can do one little mod to get lazy eye for free. Okay, so you pull your little headlight booper down. Yeah?
Yeah.
Apparently there's one wire, the brown one.
Oh, if this doesn't work, man.
That you cut. Boom. And then you pull it back in. That way.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it don't work. I don't think we need ignition on. I'm going to put ignition on. Button in. They stay up. And then
That's
you get
it,
your free lazy eye for free on your S13.
Halfway up. That's quite sick.
Yeah.
So you have to turn the ignition off to do it. Right, explain it again, slower, because I got like 50% of that.
Hang on, let me put that again. So, you cut the brown wire.
Yeah, cut the brown wire, put it back in.
The button has to be in.
In.
Headlights on.
Headlights on so they come all the way up. Yeah.
Turn headlights off.
Headlights off.
Headlights stay up.
Headlights stay up.
And then you press the button to your desired height.
Oh, that's sick. Oh, you can have them like just peeking open as well. Oh, that's well cool.
So yeah.
Chee!
Button in. Headlights on. Headlights off.
All from cutting one wire. Can you have your headlights on?
Right, at the same time. No, I think the headlights, yeah.
No, they'll just come all the way.
But leave them pressed in and you can have them.
That's pretty cool.
There you go.
That's pretty sick.
Free.
Free mods for the S13 that look sick. Can't go wrong. Alright, go on then. Now the bumper and the wings on. Headlights on, headlights off.
Yeah, so that's button in.
Yeah.
Headlights on.
Yeah.
Headlights off. Press on button. To your desired location.
Yeah. That's pretty sick. Oof.
Free lazy eye.
Free lazy eye. Car looks proper chill. Looks like proper chilled out now. Sound. Right guys, so that's going to be it for this one. Just a pretty quick video on how to get a free lazy eye mod for the S13. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out all our other stuff. This won't be long till it's on the road now, and going for its MOT. So yeah, see you later guys.